Meditation is so hard. I can't meditate. How do you do it? That's what I hear on a regular basis from everyday people who understandably think meditation is the hardest thing they could ever attempt. And I'm not gonna lie to you, when you're starting off, meditation can be tough, but it doesn't have to be. If you understand meditation better, you can turn it into something you won't want to live without. All it takes is understanding how to keep meditation interesting and understanding why struggling to meditate can actually be a good thing. My goal is to teach you the simplest and most approachable way possible. To put it simply, I want meditation to be a regular and daily fixture in your life, like brushing your teeth. So with that being said, I'd like to introduce you to this new segment and my first meditation tip, which is breathing. You see, there are hundreds of different ways to meditate, but the most common meditation is mindful breathing. And when I tell students that all they really have to do is just focus on their breath, they get a little freaked out. It does sound a little boring, but just focusing on your breath for a whole 10 minutes, as boring as it sounds, can be profound. And here's the thing, it can also be interesting. How? Well, there are so many different ways in which you can focus on your breath. So let's just cover 5 of them so you can apply them to your practice immediately. Number 1, focus on the feeling of the air brushing in and out of your nose. This is a favorite of mine. It's simple and it's a great way to start. Just breathe in and out of your nose. And then notice the sensation of the air flowing in and out of your nostrils. Do it slowly. And also, what I like to do is also take note of the temperature. Notice how the air is cool when you breathe it in through your nose, and it's a little warmer when you exhale from your nose. Number 2, notice the natural rhythm of your breath and the natural depth of each breath. You're not trying to change the rhythm or the pace. You're just observing the pace as it is naturally. You can also observe the depth of each in and out breath without, again, changing it. Number 3, pay attention to the movements of your body as you breathe in and out. So just notice how your chest expands when you breathe into it, and then how it contracts when you breathe out, or how your belly inflates like a balloon when you inhale, or deflates when you exhale, or how your shoulders may move when you breathe. Just take note of those subtle details. Another one is when your skin stretches and shrivels with each in and out breath. You can also imagine the air filling your lungs or belly, and then just notice the exit journey as the air leaves. Number 4, take note of the moments between inhaling and exhaling, and exhaling and inhaling. Those quick turning points. Observe those few seconds. Notice how you feel in those very quick moments, and then examine this process. It seems so simple, but it can be super effective. So give it a try. Number 5, all you got to do in this one is count your breath. So you breathe in for 5 seconds, you hold for 4 seconds, then you just breathe out for 10 seconds. Focus on that as long as you can, or do as many cycles as you can. And if you're struggling to exhale for 10 seconds, try pursing your lips as you breathe out. You know, like you're blowing hot soup or blowing a candle. That should help. Let me know below which breathing technique resonates the most with you. And if you enjoyed this video or found some value in it, don't forget to subscribe, because I've got so many more weekly meditation tips to help you grow as a meditator and person. So until next time, I'll see you then.